Just tall buildings everywhere. Here we go. We got people doing this. This is what causes all the traffic here. All these people merging in like super duper late, and this interchange is weird. It's weird. It's a beautiful backdrop of downtown LA. This right here is really cool because it's like an old houses and the drop backdrop of downtown LA, and you're just like, ah, it's so pretty. It's so pretty right here. Motorcycles are always right there parked. And then right here, if you go up here, if you go on Lookout Drive, you can look out to downtown LA. Right here's the lookout. You can look out there. Yeah, look how fucking cool it looks. Get a camera. Take some cool pictures, huh? Yeah. Oh, was that blood on the floor? I think that was blood. I didn't say it was safe. I just said it was a cool lookout. LA is so weird and diverse. You got hills, you got these weird houses, they're all overpriced. Rent is expensive, there's no parking, but we wouldn't want it any other way. I'm gonna take you guys to see the world famous Torretos, and you guys are gonna be amazed. I'm gonna leave this running from how far the Fast and the Furious house is from Torretos. Torretos is on our left hand side right there, the food market. Fucking Torretos. And then right here, you go up this way, and the Fast and the Furious house is right here. Wait for it. It's the one with all the signs that say, a big white picket fence. It was right here. See? It is like that fool drove to work and he lived that close. Okay? Here's Torretos' house right here. And Torretos little convenience store right here, dude. It's right there. You telling me that man drove to work when he worked this close to the market? I love finding weird alleys. Look at the doggo. How is this in someone's backyard? I don't get it, and it keeps going. We're gonna keep going. Yeah, let's keep adventuring. Whoa, whoa, whoa! This is a pretty cool road here now. I've never been down this road. It's kind of cool. It's a little off-road adventure that I wasn't expecting. Does it end here? Oh my god, it's turning into dirt. I gotta go slow. Ugh, pebbles. Oh shit. Where am I, dude? I have no idea. It's a cool little back road though. Oh Jesus. It's like literally going on an off-road adventure. This has been fun. Oh gosh. Alright, we're almost out of it. Oh, okay, got a few more bumps. Street bikes. For sure not designed for off-roading. You know what they filmed here? 500 Days of Summer, like one of my favorite movies. And there's a bench over there. And that looks up into like the older architecture of downtown LA. I love that movie. So heartbreaking.